Hey there, Erin with 2Win here, and today I want to talk about storytelling. And no, I don't mean The Princess and the Pea or Jack and the Beanstalk. I mean using stories during your demos, presentations, and everyday client engagements. Today I'm going to share with you 3 places where telling a story will help you shift someone's perspective, connect your solution to value, and persuade your prospect to act. Jumping right in, the first place you should use a story is in the opening of a demo, presentation, or meeting. Stories help connect a client's primary objective to your value in a creative and memorable way. Building your story around your demo theme and supporting it with imagery will help your stakeholders understand how your solution is connected to their goals. The second place to use a story is when presenting a case study. Case studies can often be boring and leave the audience to connect their own dots. Presenting the findings of a case study in the form of a story will allow you to connect your value in a way that is understandable and will help you gain influence with the audience. And lastly, stories can be an effective way to handle objections. Once you fully understand the energy and purpose behind an objection, respond by using a short story that shows your prospect that you understand their perspective and have helped previous customers address similar challenges. If you want to learn more ways you can use stories in everyday work settings, go to the link in the description below and read our blog. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this to be helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave us a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe.